Hello everyone, I am Namrata Rathod, Assistant Professor of Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry in Smriti College of Pharmaceutical Education, Indore. Today we discuss about the analytical constant of fats and oil, the chemical nature of fatty acid and the number of hydroxyl group present in a fats and molecule can be determined from the reaction mentioned above. These chemical determination are called chemical constant and involve the following analytical tests. First test is acid value test, second saponification test, third is ester value, fourth is iodine value, fifth is acetyl value and last is Ricci-Masse value. The first now discuss about the first acid value. Acid value, it is the number of milligrams of KH required to neutralize the free fatty acid present in 1 gram of fats and oils. Normally, the free fatty acid along with the triglyceride are present in oil in small amount. The free fatty acid contained is the acid number or acid value which increase during the storage period. The free fatty acid contain influence the keeping quality of oil. Now discuss about the principle of acid value. The content of free fatty acid in oil can be determined by titrate it against KH using phenolphthalein as a indicator. Now materials: 1% phenolphthalein in 95% ethanol. Second is 0.1 normal potassium hydroxide. Third is neutral solvent. It's made 25 ml ether, 25 ml 95% alcohol and 1 ml of 1% phenolphthalein solution neutralized with N by 10 alkali. Next is discuss about the procedure. Take 1 gram of oil or melted fat, dissolve in 50 ml of neutral solvent in 250 ml of conical flask, add it few drops of phenolphthalein indicator. Resulting mixture titrate against 1 normal of potassium hydroxide. Flask is constantly shaken during titrate till pink color present. Pink color appear. The remain for 15 seconds. The value found the value of acid value. This is procedure of acid value. The next point is determination. Acid value can be finally calculated using the formula. It is a formula of acid value. Acid value is taken in milligram KH per gram equal to titer value into normality of KH into 56.1 upon weight of sample in gram. The free fatty acid contained is calculated as oleic acid using the equation 1 ml N by 10 Kh is equal to 0.028 gram oleic acid. The exact strength of KH can be determined by treating 0.1 normal oxalic acid solution 630 mg in 100 ml water against KH using phenolphthalein indicator. The strength of KH can then be determined using a formula V1N1 is equal to V2N2. The next point is signification of acid value. Acid value gives the free fatty acid containing in an oil or fat. A stale or rancid fats or oil stored under improper condition possess a high acid value. This is the acid value. Next point is saponification value. Saponification value is the number of milligrams of KH required to the saponify 1 gram of fat or oil. This value is used for comparative study of fatty acid chain length in oil. The process of saponification involves hydrolysis of fatty acid in the glyceride by an alkali. The next point is principle. With an excessive amount of alcoholic KOH, a known quantity of oils is refluxed after saponification. The remaining KOH determined by titrating it again a standard acid. Next point is material. Required materials are: first is 0.5 normal HCl, second is clear alcoholic KOH, 40 gram KOH dissolved in liter of distilled alcohol at room temperature below 15.5 degrees Celsius. The third material is 1% phenolphthalein in 95% ethanol. Last is air condenser. The next point is procedure. The sample, if you liquid is melted sample filtered to remove the impurity and trace of moisture. This makes sample completely of moisture. 4 to 5 gram of sample is taken in flask and 50 ml of alcoholic KOH is added from burette by allowing to the drain for the defined period of time. A blend is prepared by taking 50 ml of alcoholic KOH and allowing it to drain for the same time duration. And air condition is concentrated to the flask and the contain are gently boiled for hours and cool the flask and the condenser inside of the condenser is washed with a small amount of distilled water. Then condenser is removed. Next is 1 ml of phenolphthalein indicator is added. Contain is filtered again 0.5 normal HCl until the pinkish color is disappear. This is a procedure of saponification value. Next point is determination. Determination can be finally calculated using the formula. This is a formula of saponification value. Saponification equal to 28.02 into titer value of blend and titer value of minus titer value of sample upon weight of the sample in gram. Next point is signification. The saponification value provide the information regarding the average chain length of the acid present in the fat. The saponification value and the chain length of fatty acid are inversely proportional. That shortly the average chain length of fatty acid higher into the saponification value. So this is a introduction and principle, material and determination and procedure of saponification value.